Going to see the Statue of Liberty in New York is definitely a solid choice. The tickets sell out up to 2 months in advance. That's 60 days. See, the thing is, most people only realize tickets have run out once they're already in New York. By that point, what's left is the free ferry that passes by the statue with no stops or access. So when it comes to tickets, you have 3 options. Don't get it wrong, standard entry does not mean entry inside the statue. We'll get to that in a bit. Rather, these are tickets for the ferry that include a round trip to both Liberty and Ellis Island. There are 2 departure points, one from the Castle Clinton National Monument in Battery Park, NYC, and one from the Central Railroad of New Jersey Terminal. Both come with audio guides in over 12 languages and start from $30. But a couple of things to keep in mind. 1. Get there early, even before your time slot, and we mean it. The security lines can get long and hectic. 2. Tickets sell out fast. The interior access we were talking about before, they need to be booked separately, usually through the official website, but they sell out months in advance. So if someone tries to sell them to you on ground, don't buy it. That's a scam. Guided tours are best for those who want more context, from its Freemason origins to the France connection, explained by an English-speaking guide, happy to answer all your conspiracy questions. These are 2 hours and start from $50. But if you're short on time, combine your guided tour with stops at the 9/11 Memorial, Ground Zero, and Wall Street. They run for around 5 hours and start from $100. This is your fallback if the others are sold out. Cruises don't stop at the islands, but still get you close to the statue. Standard cruises run from 50 minutes to a couple of hours, starting around $25. Sunset cruises are slightly longer, timed for golden hour, and start around $30. Then, the luxury dinner or brunch cruises. This is the full experience with snacks, drinks, and a 3-course meal, perfect for families or friends who may enjoy a bottomless mimosa. These start from $100, but remember, they don't include island access. So the choice is simple: island access or just the view from the water. Check your options before you head out, book early, and don't end up on the wrong ferry.